The dinner plan. Daniel, we have 1 hour to cook dinner for my sister.
Okay. What are we making?
Pasta with tomato sauce and a salad.
That sounds good and not too hard.
Can you help me with the vegetables?
Yes, I can wash and cut them.
Great. I will start the sauce.
Do we have enough tomatoes?
Yes. And we have garlic, onion, and basil.
Perfect. Let's start now.
Washing and cutting.
Should I wash the lettuce first?
Yes, please. Use cold water.
Do you want small pieces?
Yes, small pieces are best for salad.
I am not very fast with a knife.
That's okay. Be careful and go slowly.
Can you cut the onion? It makes me cry.
Sure. You can cut the cucumber.
Good idea. The cucumber is easy.
After that, put everything in the big bowl.
Okay, the salad is starting to look nice.
Yes, and we are on time. The sauce and the pasta. The sauce needs 10 minutes.
The water is hot. Is it ready?
Not yet. Wait for big bubbles.
Now I see big bubbles.
Good. Add the pasta, please.
All of it?
No, only half the box.
Oops, I almost used too much.
No problem. We caught it in time.
Should I stir the pasta?
Yes, stir it so it does not stick.
The sauce smells very good.
Thanks. Add a little salt, please.
A little salt, not too much.
A small problem.
Emma, the sauce looks very thick.
You are right. We need a little water.
Can I use water from the pasta?
Yes, that is a good idea.
How much do we need?
Just 2 spoons at first.
Okay, I will add it slowly.
Now stir the sauce gently.
It looks better now.
Yes, it is smooth again.
Great. I was a little nervous.
Cooking has small problems. We fixed it. Dinner is ready. The pasta is ready. Can you bring the plates?
Yes. Do we need 3 plates?
Yes, one for my sister too.
The table looks nice with these glasses.
Thank you. Can you put the salad in the middle?
Sure, it looks fresh and colorful.
Let's taste the sauce before she arrives.
Good idea. It is hot, so be careful.
It tastes good.
Yes, it is simple and tasty.
We did a good job together.
Yes, and we finished on time.
Listen, the doorbell is ringing.
Perfect. Dinner is ready.